So yeah, I bought a new Mustang.
Coming back.
Yes, this is how you start the car. It's not 100% dead.
Yeah, oh my god, oh my god.
Why you telling me to chill? I'm in my bag, reminiscing about my past. Remember I ain't no rag. Now ain't no looking back, my foot on the gas.
That car looks like it should be making whale noises at you.
Which one?
That one. And that one sounds like Herbie, but like Herbie's been smoking cigarettes for fucking 20 years. Good Jack. Three-wheeling Jack. I think that might be maxed out, low fluid.
Well, she's off the ground, I think.
Oh, she is definitely off the ground.
Oh, yeah.
We're camouflaging this bitch. With Nikes, motherfucker.
Not sponsored. Bondo.
Holy shit. It's a... Dude, that thing's strong.
Oh my God, is it? It's only a couple small bolts, too.
See the tail lights that Mikey gave him? Well, we're gonna take all of the engine, the trans, radiator, all of that, all the brackets, everything out of it. Probably sell the doors. Either sell the wheels or keep them as burners. Headlights probably sold a couple bucks. Emblem sold for a couple bucks.
Emblem might go in the Foxy.
Front fender can be sold. This front fender can be sold. Seats can be sold. Some of the interior can be sold. Some of the pieces are going to go to Flats Mustang.
Pretty good. Think it's got any juice in it? Definitely not.
It's below freezing out here, bro. And that battery was sitting over there in the grass. There's no way.
Definitely dead, huh? Yes, this is how you start the car. It's not 100% dead. Let's see if the hood closes.
Yep, hood could be sold.
I might take these.
You got me out here. Gonna jump this thing with the Z. We got the two beaters out. Where are you going?
You good to run this thing? That bitch ticking. Oh, it went away.
Belt rubbage.
Huh?
There's a belt rubbing.
Where?
I don't know. It'd be cold. Exact weather last time I checked was 34 degrees. But the feel like was 29. And that is cold, you ask me. He didn't have it running for longer than like 30 seconds, but it definitely probably has to be jumped.
I need jump. Come look how I started.
Just try it. Try it real quick. Hurry up.
Nah, we'll just push it. It's straight.
Turn off.
You gotta push
Go ahead. Look, there's Mikey.
He died.
It's dead again.
It sounds it's on his last limb. So.
Yeah, she's spewing fucking rusty coolant right now. Yeah, oh my god. Oh my god.
Pop your hood.
Yeah, be careful.
As long as you don't take the rag cap.
Look at the front of the hood.
Alright. It's a little hot.
At least it's cold out here.
Yeah.
I'd say she's a little hot.
Push it back down there.
Oh yeah, we can. It'll roll most of that way.
Down there. I can't see out of it, so I want to put it down here. You can. Push it up that fucking hill.
Oh my god.
Why are you so hard to roll?
I don't know, I was just thinking that.
The brakes are trash. They work pretty good right now.
Alright, look.
I got a block back there. It should fucking hold. If it don't, I don't care. So the way we start it is with this key right here. And what you do is it goes on this bolt back here somewhere. I don't know. See that? It's a power wire. What we do is just touch these two wires. That scared the fuck out of me. And I know what I'm doing. There she fucking is. Runs like a top. Yeah, I'll be back. Gotta go. She's a running. We got coolant flow. That motherfucking water pump is seized, boy. So we gotta act fast, baby. I gotta make sure there's no car. Don't look like it. No power steering. So yeah, I bought a new Mustang. Alright, I need to put the camera down. I can't steer. Well, girls, here we are. Made it to the driveway. You know, I think a little clean. See alright over there? That's alright. Mid. It's alright. Pretty cool. But that, oh my God, let me tell you something. This Mustang will make history.
We have started tear down on the ROT ROD shit stang, whatever you want to call it. We've started to tear down. Look, we got headlights for sale. For sale, boys. Might try to clean them up a little bit. Might just try to sell them like that.
Look, upon further inspection, this bumper's trash.
Why?
Look,
Crack?
ripped.
Just sell it cheap. We gotta get David over here. Which, by the way, speaking of which, I'm gonna need y'all to go follow a couple pages on Instagram and on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe and like our videos on this channel. Even hit the bell for the notifications. That'd be great. On Instagram, I need y'all to go follow 302 to the 410. I also need y'all to go follow the elkmillbillies_garage.co. And David's also on YouTube. His name is just David Kirchner, but if you look up Elk Millbillies Garage Co., basically one word, he should be the first channel to pop up. Shaw just came over here and took out some frustration and started kicking this thing. And look at this. Can I peel it off?
What's it, Bondo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck yeah. That's memorabilia. Watch out. How much of it do you think's Bondo though?
A lot.
I'm
of
curious.
It. A lot of it.
Look, feel how dented this shit is. They fucking filled that.
Yeah. We're not putting that inside the car. That's going in the house.
Purple nurple.
Yep. Hood for sale if anybody needs it.
A few minutes later.
Yes.
Hey.
5-0.
We're just walking around on this bitch. Don't walk on the roof now.
I might jump on it. Should I?
No, you'll hurt yourself. If I didn't think you'd hurt yourself, I'd be like, fuck yeah. I almost cracked that good cow.
That's scary. I'm not doing it. How should I get down? How do I get up there? I forget.
Can I?
No.
Why?
Well, it's not mine. Ask Sean.
Can I bust this side window out?
No.
The little one.
No. Why would you do that?
Why not?
How is that?
What's that?
Where's that hammer at? You gotta get the claw into the hammer and rip it.
It's gonna be rubbing.
Is it so?
Motherfucker just sold the car to him.
Why do you want?
And now he wants to break it.
Why not?
Why didn't you break it when it was yours?
I did. You seen the back tires that were on it?
Nah, leave that thing in.
Alright, buddy, I will.
Knock the
Look,
glass.
you could probably sell these. Somebody needs these, probably.
Look,
Yep.
that is all his fun though. Check it out.
It's repairable.
Oh
Pump
my,
the tire.
dude, oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, David, chill.
I know you're gonna cut this section here off. So is the truck bed.
Let's do it right now. You got saws off?
We could literally make this thing a truck bed with saws off. I'm
Are
not
you
selling
really-
the top, but why would we have glass all in this rig?
What do
when
you
we're
need that's
swinging
back
it
here?
in the field?
I mean, he's got a good point.
That is a good point. Good point.
You can see them right here.
That's how you start it?
Yeah, right there.
Where'd you run the wires off of?
Right there.
Yeah. I put the wire up.
Yes,
Yeah, and
dude,
then I
that
put them
is
right there.
badass.
We
That's
just need,
fucking a unit.
I put it under the clock, so they're right
That's even
there.
better.
I don't care. Do what you do.
Having fun, my guy?
Doors work fine.
It needs to come out. Not in. Hold it like that. Hold it like that.
I'm like two monkeys fucking around in football.
You get it out of there. Where'd you put the other one?
I'm gonna keep this.
What the fuck? David doesn't want me to make any money back. Unreal. That was $5.